Hey guys, welcome back to your own channel. I am Komal. This is the third video of my quarantine cooking series. In case you haven't watched the first two, links are in the description box below. I tried a classic dish today with a twist, stuffed cheesy capsicum. Well, who doesn't like some cheese in their dish? First, I've taken two capsicums and scooped them out. Then I've added some boiled potatoes and mashed them. Now added salt and red chili powder according to taste and mixed the stuffing properly. Then I've taken some cheese cubes and diced them into further small cubes. That is all that is needed for this recipe. Now take the potato stuffing and start filling the capsicum. After the first layer, stuff it with the cheese cubes. Then layer them with potato stuffing and add some more cheese cubes. Keep repeating the same steps until the capsicum is filled up to its brim. Now sprinkle some coriander and add grated cheese over the top. Now oil the capsicum on the outside. Similarly, repeat the same on the other piece. Now I'm going to grill them in microwave for about 20 minutes. And voila, stuffed cheesy capsicums are ready. If you can see, they are grilled completely from all the sides. You may enjoy it as it is or maybe with some paranthas. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and subscribe button. Do try it out at home and let me know your experience in the comment section below.